Welcome, students. Standard 10 Science. Science 10th Standard English Medium. Unit 1 Laws of Motion. Open your science book. Page number 13. Page number 13. Choose the correct answer. 1 C, 2 C, 3 C, 4 C, 5 C, 6 B, 7 C, 8 D, 9 D, 10 D. Unit 2 Optics. Page number 29. Choose the correct answer. 1 A, 2 B, 3 C, 4 C, 5 B, 6 C, 7 C, 8 D, 9 A, 10 C. Unit 3 Thermal Physics. Page number 39. Page number 39. Choose the correct answer. 1 D, 2 C, 3 C, 4 C, 5 A. Unit 4 Electricity. Page number 55. Choose the correct answer. 1 B, 2 C, 3 B, 4 C. Unit 5 Acoustics. Page number 70. Choose the correct answer. 1 A, 2 A, 3 B, 4 C, 5 C, 6 D, 7 C. Unit 6 Nuclear Physics. Page number 86. Choose the correct answer. 1 D, 2 D, 3 B, 4 B, 5 B, 6 C, 7 C, 8 D, 9th C, 10th B, 11 A, 12 B. Unit 7 Atoms and Molecules. Page number 102. Choose the best answer. 1 B, 2 C, 3 B, 4 D, 5 C, 6 A, 7 C, 8 B, 9 C, 10 A. Unit 8 Periodic Classification of Elements. Page number 121. Choose the correct answer. 1 D, 2 A, 3 A 4 D 5 C 6 B 7 B 8 A 9 B 10 B. Unit 9 Solutions. Page number 134. Choose the correct answer. 1 A 2 A 3 C 4 A 5 D 6 B 7 B 8 C 9 A 10 C. Unit 10 Types of chemical reactions. Page number 152. Choose the correct answer. 1 B 2 C 3 D 4 C 5 A 6 D 7 C 8 C 9 C 10 A. Unit 11 Carbon and its compounds. Page number 170. Choose the best answer. 1 B 2 D 3 C 4 A 5 B 6 A 7 B 8 C 9 A. Unit 12 Plant Anatomy and Plant Physiology. Page number 184. Choose the correct answer. 1 D 2 B 3 C 4 B 5 B 6 C. Unit 13 Structural Organization of Animals. Page number 197. Choose the correct answer. 1 D 2 A 3 B 4 not given 5 B 6 B 7 B. Unit 14 Transportation in plants and circulation in animals. Page number 213. Choose the correct answer. 1 D 2 D 3 C 4 D 5 A 6 D 7 C 8 A 9 A 10 D. Unit 15 Nervous System. Page number 226. 1 A 2 C 3 D 4 B 5 C 6 A 7 C 8 D 8 C 8C, 9B, 10A, 11B, 12D. Unit 16, Plant and Animal Hormones. Page number 239. Choose the correct answer. 1B, 2B, 3A, 4D, 5C, 6C, 7C, 8A, 9B. Unit 17, Reproduction in Plants and Animals. Page number 256. 1D, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5D, 6A, 7D, 8A, 9B, 10C, 11A. Unit 18, Genetics. Page number 271. Choose the correct answer. 1B, 2C, 3C, 4B, 5D, 6D, 7A, 8B. Unit 19, Origin and Evolution of Life. Page number 282. Choose the correct answer. 1B, 2C, 3B, 4A, 5B. Unit 20, Breeding and Biotechnology. Page number 296. Choose the correct answer. 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A, 5D, 6B, 7C, 8D, 9D, 10D. Unit 21, Health and Diseases. Page number 311. Choose the correct answer. 1A, 2A, 3D, 4C, 5B, 6D, 7C, 8A, 9B, 10D. Unit 22, Environmental Management. Page number 326. Choose the correct answer. 1C, 2D, 3D, 4B, 5D, 6C, 7A, 8D, 9D, 10A, 11D, 12B. And this is last lesson, unit 23, visual communication. Page number 333. Choose the correct answer. 1D, 2A, 3A, 4B, 5B. Okay students, thank you, bye.